Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a 1957 Chevy Bel Air. This car basically is a 1956, except has a wider grille, and it was given these famous tail fins in the back to make it look wider in the back to match the wide grille in the front. That's really the big changes to this car from the previous year. This came in a station wagon model and was called the Nomad. It's been in movies such as Gone in 60 Seconds, James Bond's Dr. No, and also Sin City. Okay, we're going to go ahead and drill it and strip it here. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, went ahead and drilled it out and went ahead and stripped it, and we're left with these parts. Got the base, interior, windshield, and the body. And we'll take the body to the paint shop and go ahead and work on it there. Be back in a minute or two. We started with this, and we finished with this. I wanted to paint the side parts of the tail fins in the back white, but I ran out of white paint. So I have it on order. As soon as I get it, I'll paint it, and then I'll flash it back up in a future video to show you that how it looks. Thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the little bell for future notifications. Appreciate your comments. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video, or a thumbs down if you didn't. We'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day. We'll see you later. Oh guys, I couldn't leave it like that, so I went ahead and made myself some homemade decals for it to tide me over until I get some new paint. So let me know what you think, and have a great day, and we'll see you later.